Hi, I'm Casey Miller from the Door County Community Foundation. Today I'm talking with Sandy Soik from Lakeshore CAP. How are you today, Sandy?
Fine, thank you, Casey.
Great. Today we're chatting because Lakeshore CAP recently received a grant from the Door County Emergency Response Fund. But before we talk about this grant, I wanted to talk a little bit about Lakeshore CAP. You guys do so many great things in the community. What is the mission of Lakeshore CAP?
Casey, our mission is to promote economic and personal self-sufficiency and well-being of low to moderate income persons and families through service programs, advocacy, community education, and resource development. With that, we have a vision to foster stable, vibrant, poverty-free communities where everyone is inspired to reach their full potential.
And I think a lot of people know you as the food pantry. You do a lot of work outside of that as well, but this grant supported some of the work that you do with your food pantry. Can you tell us a little bit about how things have had to change due to COVID?
Sure. Well, the big thing is once the virus appeared in March, we had to close our doors. So therefore, we still wanted to continue providing food to people, but having to work around the situation. So what we did was we have a new procedure. Prior to the virus, we had a client choice pantry where the clients could come in, go through the pantry with a volunteer, select the items they wanted off the shelves and the freezers, depending on the size of the household. Now what we have to do is we provide carts of food for people depending on the size of their household. So they come up to our door, we identify who they are, we go in, we get those carts of food ready, we take it out to the end of our ramp, leave the cart there, the client picks the food up in the ramp, at the ramp and puts it in their car and just drops the cart back off. That way we don't have any close connection with the family. You know, we don't want to spread any of the virus. Once that cart comes back in, then we do disinfect it with a bleach water solution. All our tables, all our doorknobs, everything is disinfected several times a day. And also we wear masks and gloves. So,
if someone is interested in utilizing that service, what is the first step? How do they sign up? Who do they reach out to?
well, they can give us a call. We're at 920-743-0192, and I can fill out a card for them just so we have that identifier. All that's on that card is name, address, and phone number. And I need a phone number because if we get a recall, I have to call everyone that was in the pantry, right? And then we need just names and birth dates of the people in the household so we know who we're serving as far as children and adults.
Okay, great.
If they are not able to call, they can just come up and we do the same thing. We'll just come out, social distance, fill the card out for them. So it's very simple. We'll do whatever needs to be done so they can get the food.
Okay, and Lakeshore CAP recently received a grant from the Emergency Response Fund, as we said earlier. How was the grant used?
The grant was used to help purchase a new used pickup truck. We had our old truck, which was on its last legs, and this was wonderful when this happened. This year, so far, we've provided 62.9 ton of food since January 1 to Door County residents. So that truck is used a lot. Another good thing about that was that that truck is also available to the pantries and the Food Pantry Coalition. And they can use it to pick up food, to deliver food. We pick up food, or I make orders and pick up food at Pick and Save. So it's really come in handy. It's wonderful.
And I know you utilize a lot of community volunteers, so I'm sure they're all also very appreciative to have a more reliable vehicle.
They certainly are.
Well, thank you so much for your time, Sandy. If anyone is interested in learning more about the Emergency Response Fund, you can visit responddoorcounty.org.